Community developers of ULEGUN Community don once again carry one we no go gree waka go Edo State Government House to see the governor on top their houses wey dem demolish some years ago and the compensation wey the Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki promised to give them to help them rebuild. Una go remember say for 2022, one Chief Lucky Irabo wey be Secretary Benin Traditional Council carry bulldozer and caterpillar go scatter and demolish the houses of some community developers for ULEGUN Community say dem build for palace land. Now this one come make the ULEGUN Community developers carry waka go meet Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki for Government House to chook eye for the matter on top why they never still sign the compensation when he don approve to give them. For the we no go gree waka to Government House, the community developers come meet with some resistance from security personnel for Government House gate, but that one not stop them from calling on Edo State Governor to come help them as they no dey fit pay house rent again sake of say things don increase for market. The governor through the secretary to Edo State Government Osaudion Oge Esquire come intervene for the matter. Pastor Joseph wey talk on behalf of the ULEGUN Community developers come here and say the governor agreed to give them compensation, but since after some months wey the governor approved the compensation, they never still sign am. Now that one make them carry the we no go gree waka come again to Government House come beg His Excellency the Governor of Edo State Godwin Obaseki say the effort wey he don make he finish am so that the compensation wey he promised to give them go true receive am. Pastor Joseph come still talk say,
as una dey say na ULEGUN Community developers na dey here. The extent to which this matter, the demolition, when Mr. Frank Irabo carry out for ULEGUN Community, now we still there. As soon as say all of us we gather for here this morning, we come cry again to His Excellency. First of all, we come thank him for the effort, for the good effort when he don't make so far to see say he no abandon us for this matter. We really pray, make God continue to bless and make give a long life, make it reap the fruits of his labor. The governor, His Excellency, he don't try, he don't give approval, he don't do everything we say he need to do. But now with the beg, cost of things don't go up, cement don't go up, road don't go up. To build house now, me no believe say you get any money now where they go give all the developers for the number of houses when they destroy when go reach now to build. But with the beg, the extent to which he don't reach, so make it a beg. We know say you get many things they do for your hand, make it a beg, make it attend to us, make it be say we'll come out again, call and say thank you. We could thank the general public too. We dey beg the general public, make they still help us, put mouth, beg His Excellency. Make the promise, the help when he don't help us, make it help us finish. Make we still say at least, we dey expect say by now, even this week, all of us fit. Many of us now, we know they fit pay our house rent again. Many of us don't give us a quick notice. That make us, and because of the way hardship don't take too much, that make us come out again today. Not be say we know they see the work when they do. They do great work for us, but we come out today, again, come beg them, say I beg. The effort when he don't make him finish him. Make it be say, at least the small help where we say he say he won't give to each and every one of us, make all of us receive them, make we for come back, come thank him, at least make we feel survive, make we just survive, because the thing they hard for all of us now. As all of us ready, as we always deal with the governor, we still ready to deal with him for any area where we say we believe say we will still be of help to His Excellency. At the present moment now, the governor don't set up committee for reconciliation. At least the government call us. We sit down, we hold meeting. They do valuation. You send GIS come, they can't do valuation for the place. So as they do valuation, they still give a report. Instead, they don't give approval for the compensation. But for over how many months now, when the approval take come, we never see the compensation. So now the compensation now we come beg and now, making release so that we go fit manage our life, because life is hard. Now that compensation now will come beg and he don't give approval. The last time when we visit government, we meet representative of government. Them don't already tell us, say, governor don't give approval. But now the compensation, the check, now we they wait for. Make him try a beg, make him sign the check, so that SSG, when God go bless again, will fit give us the compensation when governor give us. So that we will come out again, come tell His Excellency, say thank you. Because that one a man where we say indeed he really sabi. Just I no go let person talk now, say make it continue to be governor. We for say make man where they listen to us and make continue to be governor. I beg His Excellency, Governor Inogoga Obaseki, we dey beg, I beg. The promise where we say the help where you don't help us, make you finish him. I beg His Excellency and I beg now we dey.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.